over a decade, pros everywhere have trusted Tiger Claw for hidden fastening of their groove decking boards. All you need is the TCG hidden deck clips, a box of scrails, and the Tiger Claw pneumatic installation gun, and you're ready to start seamlessly fastening your deck. Our patented TCG clips are made from stainless steel, ensuring that they're strong and durable to last the lifetime of the project. The TCG clips can be driven in by hand with a cordless drill or by using the Tiger Claw pneumatic gun to drastically increase the speed and ease of installation. Over the past 13 years, thousands of pros have experienced the speed and reliability of Tiger Claw.
My name is Mike Regan of Regan Total Construction. I've been using the Tiger Claw Fastening System for 8 years now. What I like about the Tiger Claw system is it really simplifies and speeds up the installation of any of our groove decking. We focus on building decks all year round. Any aspect of the job that we can simplify and speed up the production on is going to allow us to accomplish that many more projects in a year. It really puts a lot of confidence in our customers because it's a stainless steel product. They don't have to worry about it rusting. It comes with a lifetime warranty. It really is a lot easier than installing some of the plastic clips. I've used several different clip systems, but when it comes to using the Tiger Claw system, it's clearly the fastest and easiest way for us to consistently install the decking correctly.
Getting started with Tiger Claw has never been easier. Take advantage of our first-time user program and you'll receive a free Tiger Claw pneumatic installation gun with your purchase of 2 buckets of the TCG clips. Visit FastenMaster.com to learn more.